Well, today, as you can see, I got the garage door closed. It seems to be raining out a little bit, so I am going to continue to work on a Mustang since I'm inside, so it's cool. Today I plan to try and take off some of the undercoating on the front inner fenders, just so that it's a lot nicer to weld to and all that if I need to, and it just looks better. So that's what I'm gonna do. You can stick around. I'm gonna try and use a heat gun first. I read somewhere that that'll work and I can scrape it off. So that's the way I'm gonna go, and hopefully it all works. So stick around. All right, and if this doesn't work, then we'll get the old MAPP gas out. See what we can get done here. So I have a heat gun, and I have a putty knife, or a scraper, as I like to call it. I'm just gonna plug it in here, and we'll see what we can get done here. Let it heat up. I know that it works a lot better with the MAPP, but I was going to try and be somewhat a little bit safer. It is working, but this is going to take a while, so. I think I'm going to do a time lapse. So I'm going to turn this puppy off. Reset the camera to do time lapse, and then I'll let you. It won't be quite as boring. I'm sure it'll be boring, but not as boring. This is how it did. I think it did pretty good. I gotta get this out because it was melting, so I'll get all that up there once I get all the wiring out, because I didn't want to melt all the wires. But you saw how, look at the shit on the floor, but relatively easy to get all that scraped out of there. So, you know, it'll look a lot better once I put a wire brush on it and have smooth. So so there you go. There you go. Well, it was a short video. Hopefully it was informative. I'm not going to tape me doing the other inner fender. But you can see how easy it was to get all this undercoating off in, I don't know how long I did it, but you know, maybe 15 minutes. I did pretty much the whole inner fender. I got some, but I wanted to wait until I get all the couldn't think of the word, all the wiring out of there. So I really appreciate all the support. You know, if you find this helpful, useful, please share, please like, please subscribe, and as always, I really appreciate everything. So have a great day.